Hello, my name is Fahad Ibrahim. I'm a co-owner of ShapeLabel.com. So the problem was before I installed the CarKit Better Replay app. Things people were coming to my site, but I didn't know what they were doing. So I had like people coming, but I wasn't converting at all. Um, that way, I knew that my ad was okay, but there was something wrong with my ad, with my product page. And in order to know what was wrong, I searched for an application that would help me know what people are doing on my site. And that's when I found Better Replay app. It really helped me because I noticed that people were coming, but they weren't focusing on the things that I thought they would focus on. So they would just skip the things that I thought that were important and go look at other things. And that's when, yes, I started changing things in my site, editing them and making sure that, yes, I was like, yeah, meeting the expectations of the people and knowing what they really look at and what they would like to see when they come to my yes, to my website. And that really helped me. And right now I'm converting much better, and I'm really thankful to the Better Replay app and Carkit.